It's February here in West Wales and the weather's still too cold and unpredictable to be doing any sort of gardening outdoors. But that's okay because it gives me a chance to do some lovely indoor things like practicing my cheese making skills. Here I am stirring some curds and whey. And here's the final product. Weeks later, some lovely soft goat's cheese. I'm also practicing my bread making skills, and here I am stirring up a sourdough starter using equal parts of bread flour and water. It's kind of a temperamental thing, sourdough bread making, but if you persevere and you give it time, you generally can come out with a reasonable loaf. Although I have to say it's taken me a lot of practice to get to this finished product. Here we go. This is my latest creation. It's not too bad. Has a nice crispy crust and a springy light middle. Tasted good. So lighter days mean the hens and the ducks are laying a lot more eggs, so more cooking to do. February is a great time to plant some of the slower growing annual summer crops such as aubergines and chilies and sweet peppers. They require a lot of warmth and a little bit of coddling to make sure that they grow tall and strong before planting out in a sheltered spot in your garden when frosts are gone, or you can put them in your polytunnel or greenhouse. So I've planted some seeds that I saved and some seeds that I bought into some recycled plastic pots that I've been using for years. I filled these up with multi-purpose compost, and I'm going to put all these seeds into the airing cupboard with a plastic lid on top to help them germinate. It'll take a couple of weeks before they're all up, and then I'll have to find a window ledge that's got plenty of sun, and when the weather warms up I'll transfer these into my greenhouse, but keep an eye on the weather because they are very susceptible to the cold. February is also a good time to buy your seed potatoes and start sprouting them in a cool, airy, frost-free place. I'm putting mine in the greenhouse, but I have to keep an eye on the temperatures. So if it goes down below freezing, I'll come out and I'll cover them up with bubble wrap and a few paper feed sacks. This year I'm growing some Charlotte potatoes. I bought 10 kilograms and they're second early. And we're also growing some Sarpo Exona. So spring is around the corner, but it's still pretty cold. Take time to do some of those quiet jobs indoors. Stay warm, stay safe, and until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.